everybody, this is a Wi-Fi plus GSM alarm system. Let's take a look. This is the control panel. Back view. This is RFID tag, remote control, motion sensor, door sensor, the wired serial. First, let's learn how to pair the accessories with the control panel. Click the screen. Press menu. Parts. First, let's pair the remote control. And press any key on the remote control to trigger sender. Another one. Press any key. Next, the motion sensor. Choose detector. Add. Here we can choose the defense zone. We choose living room alarm. Here we can choose the defense zone type. Press this key to on position to trigger sender. Then turn it off. Pair the door sensor. Here we choose door alarm. Here we can choose outdoor active. Separate the door sensor. Okay, RFID. Trigger. Another one. This is the wired serial. It's not wireless. We no need to pair it. We just need to insert this head into this hole. Done. Besides these accessories, we can also add other detectors such as gas detector, CO detector, and smoke detector. Here is a wireless smoke detector. Let's pair it. Add. Here we choose fire alarm. Here we can choose 24 hours active. Press this key to trigger sender. Okay, pairing is finished. Let's see how it works. First, on the system. This is exit delay. We need to wait till this time end.
System disarmed.
Let me cancel this delay. Set delay, exit delay. Enter delay.
System armed.
Check the motion sensor.
System disarmed. System armed.
Check the motion sensor. Check the door sensor.
System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed.
Because this smoke detector is paired in the 24 hours active defensor, so no matter the system is armed or disarmed, once I trigger the smoke detector, the system will make alarm. Let's see. Fire alarm.
System disarmed.
Let's take a small look at the menu. In the menu, you can make many settings, such as exit delay, and entry delay siren duration. Here in the switch, you can set on beep, siren, on MSS, keypad lock, backlight, keypad toll, delay tick, door window open warning. Password, you can change your system password and user password. Language, there are 8 different languages. Initialization, press this key, you can clear all the pairing between all accessories and the control panel. Here you can add your phone number. Here you can check the log. Parts you can use to pair the detectors. Wi-Fi is used to do app configuration record to make a record. Timer, you can set arm timer, and so on. Version, you can check your control panel is 2G or 3G. You can check the MAC address IMEI number. Done. Here we learn how to add alarm phone numbers. Insert this SIM card. Before inserting this SIM card, we need to turn off the control panel first. Inserting the SIM card like this, the IC chip towards upside. Power on. Wait for the GSM signal. When you see the white color GSM signal, it means the SIM card is inserted successfully. Okay, press menu, choose 4, the first 4. Click here to add your phone number. Press OK. Here you can turn on, turn off. This is the calling function. This is the SMS function. Press OK. The second one, click here. Press OK. Turn on. Done. Okay, here we will do app configuration with the alarm host. First, you have to download the app. You can scan this QR code to download it. Here we have downloaded it. Click it and enter it. Choose Wi-Fi operation mode. If you don't have an account, you have to register here. Enter your email and password to register. Let's log in. Click Wellynk. Here, input your Wi-Fi password. Tick here. Before Press this button, come to the alarm panel. Before doing the app configuration, we'd better power on the control panel and put this panel near your Wi-Fi network. Okay, enter the menu, click Wi-Fi, click Wellynk. You have 60 seconds to configure. Press Stop Configure button. We will have to wait about, finished. Wellynk successful. Press OK. Click to enter the app.
System disarmed.
Here we can choose No. Here is the app push.